Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys if your desktop icons are missing on your Windows computer. This tutorial should hopefully be able to resolve it. So we're going to start by right clicking on a blank spot on our desktop and then left click on View, and now left click on where it says Show Desktop Icons. And there we go guys, we can see my desktop icon has reappeared. So again, right click on an empty spot on your desktop, left click on View, and then make sure where it says Show Desktop Icons that there is a check mark in here. So very straightforward guys. I do hope it helped you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.